Morning, everybody. Oof, all right, bit better this morning. We're back, so I went out with mate yesterday. Had a big walk. And to be honest, it's done me power of good. It's seemed to have freed me up a bit. Took a bit of pain off. So thought I'd come in today and do a few bits. I mean, I've got some plies come on at lads who have just moved into yard. He did actually used to do a bit with me. The old Steve. He's put me them up over at his workshop, so I can get backs done for door cards and some other bits. I mean, I don't know if that's what I'll get on with today. I'll do what I feel like, and I've also carpets abandoned for Feely and stuff like that. But at least it's getting me a bit back into stride. But it's same as he said. I mean, my mate yesterday he says a phrase he come out with: "No good deed goes unpunished," and somebody else has also passed it in comments. So I mean, it don't seem very fair. Like, what is it? Comment to me that, but it's a factual on this one. But I mean, he seems to be. He's not bad, old Bill. Went to see him at hospital, and but it's funny how modern world is because sister were talking to other half, and she were like dealing with one guy, draining something off his van, whether it was his lungs or whatever, with a syringe, talking across ward to Alice about this guy's affairs and all that. I mean, Bill were actually at toilet, and I thought, well, no, it's same. No, it's just the same anymore. It's just, I mean, from like 3 hours for his ambulance, and then a sister's like dealing with one patient and talking across a ward with a ward full of people about another patient to my missus, and I'm thinking, well, what happened to old days? Or is it just that I'm a concrete fossil with what I do? I mean, is it all bureaucracy now? As all well, I've said this times many, haven't I? Really, I mean, has all this out to do with your hands gone? I mean, but to be honest with this, I mean, I've been thinking about it, and I'm like at a point now where I just like want to detach myself from the modern world. I just want to like take myself away, divorce it. That's probably a better word. Divorce the modern world because I can come in here. People know where I am. Me, to be honest, this what I'm doing with YouTube. This is my lifeline. This is how people seem to know about me and communicate about me. Do you get what I mean? And people have got this many times. There's clips at front of place so people know. But do I need like modern world? Do I need to like my phone? I got a new phone. I've told you, and then I used to go to the bank, and I go to the bank and because I've lost a password. So I can't just go to Mexborough where we used to have a bank. We haven't got one. So I go in Rotherham. Excuse me. And I go in Rotherham and we've got a bank there. And there's like three like desks, like somebody would be sat on it in an hallway at Meadowhall or at a shopping mall. And with a computer screen and just there's not even a counter. There's like cash machines, and it was just well, I don't know. I don't know what it was. It didn't resemble a bank. I don't really know what it resembled because it was almost like elk points in the shop. And I just thought to myself, like, what's? I mean, all right, I got me thing, and I could get it, I could put it in. I did it, I did what I did, and it were all sorted, and so it's done. But I still had to trail to Rotherham from here, and it's like everything. It's like when this all I told you with parts and like now. I mean, I know with modern artifacts, what's reg mate? What it's. I mean, it's just a joke. And then I deal with people with classic stuff. Oh no, we've never had any problems. And then I go up forums and it's just lie after lie after lie after lie. So, like I say, I'm probably just going to end up divorcing myself from it and just do this what I do and let you all follow because there's no way I can even fit in with mainstream. This don't belong in any area. What I do, it belongs to none of it. So it's just what's been going through me because I've had a few days sitting, like relaxing and trying to relax and sit about a bit, So, but I don't think you can relax like when you watch news, or you watch it because, and you even start to look at your own affairs. I mean, for me, with these classics, I mean, the most realistic thing is if you've got a classic, 50s, 60s, 70s, you've got eBay and you've got a PayPal account. Well, I think you've cracked it. I mean, I could quite easily just mill along with that. I mean, I know I have some bits myself, but I don't need to ring like Manners anymore. I don't need to ring Barrett's anymore. I mean, SU people, Burnell, they're a good company. You can deal with them. You're not going to have any issues. But overall, you see something new flash up, or you see something just appears, or you go to uh, Restoration Shortcut, which is probably Joe in it. I think March that one, and stuff like that. And it's just, well, it's the modern world. That's where everybody's gone, and I don't belong there. And I just because it's just I seem to get as if I've got like a mental block with companies that have Nick Camp, she's had a bit more dinner, she's off back at her. And they've got that much admin. I just can't comprehend it. I just think to myself, well, why is that person I mean, I know they're not actually manufacturing the stuff they send, but when I look at the level of admin they've got in and how the system works to end up sending you a part that's crap and the cost of it, well, it's just all wasted. So, well, that's top and bottom of video, really, because like I'm just going to go down my own path. I don't really belong how this world is. So, I mean, you all watch me. I know my biggest audience older people over 65, but so be it. Well, I mean, I'm 62 this month anyway, so we'll just carry on doing this. And I'm just gonna. I've told you before, I'm going to change. Things are going to change, but I'm going to probably change a bit more because it's well, I don't see it fun of it or how art world works. So the more I move away from it, all right, I come down to work this morning, free wheel, all right, I'll go up and go home in a Zephyr if I want. All right, I can drive a Yank. Well, that's where I'm going to stop. I don't want out to do with how it works. I get fed up with people pulling out on your injunctions. I get fed up at everybody in a rush. I watching somebody yesterday in ice and they just tried taking a corner at some stupid speed and just slid the centre across the road and then wondered what had happened. It's if there's just no common sense. As if just everybody today is reading off a screen what they've got to do. There's no soul. There's no real in people. So, but that's top and bottom of it. I mean, that's Butty Van coming into your eye. As you catch that, don't you, on the video? So, anyhow, give us a like if you like video and subscribe to my channel because that's what we'll be doing if you can hear me. Well, I suppose you can hear me because, like I said, I'm on this new mic system. So, and that's a comment you want to know. Like I say, I'm back at it. So, well, trying to. I've done my best, and we'll keep you posted. But you'll probably see a few more changes. Well, I don't know if you will see changes, but I'll see changes in my set. I mean, I've said it before. I've got a grandkid coming in March, so I'm probably going to have to change a bit anyway. But I'm not looking forward to a lot of things in March where you've got to go weird places are and it's all formalities and all garbage. So take care, everybody. Anyway, that's enough of a rant from me.